Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like my video so that I can keep showing you more. So today I want to show you how to treat your chicken manually. Treat them locally if they're having flu or if they're having cough. So what you see in that green glass is a mixture of ginger, garlic and lemon boiled together. So that is what I'm giving them. So please, if you're new and if you like my videos, to support me, please like and share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Enjoy.